what is biohacking all about and how you can improve like your performance, how you can go to the peakest level, like the topmost level in whatever you're doing. Hey everyone, Akshay Rajshekaran here. In this video I'm going to tell you exactly how you can hack like your body, how you can hack like your biology and get exactly what you want, how you can get like more energy. As we all know, we are all like energy. Each one of us have like frequency. We are made up of like billions of cells or like 50 trillion plus cells, right? Now it's all about like biohacking is all about how you can utilize like your energy. See, there is something like which is very limited, right? Like our energy, we have like limited energy, limited time, limited resources. It's all about how well we utilize comes down to who we are, right? And it's all about how well we utilize and where we put our energy so that like we can get the most output is the most important counterintuitive question like you have to ask. See, we are what it's all about what we eat, what we feed, what we eat, what we put into our brain. That's what like our end output is all about, what we do. See, no disease, no problems. It's all about like all the disease, all the actions, whatever we have taken has brought us today over here right now. If you eat good food, like if you eat hygienic food, if you drink good water, if you are like always hydrated, always energetic, like you'll be able to have great life. If you eat always junk food, unnecessary food, oil foods, all the things, like we won't be so much energetic. That is what it's all about, biohacking. Hacking exactly whom you want to become. Like if you want to become a peak performer, like a top performer, like if you want to get the things done extremely fast in a very less time, like you have to know like where like your energy is going. See, it's all about eating right food. One is the most important, and second is all about how well you sleep, right? Sleep is considered one of the most important things. At the same time, lot of people think when it comes down to entrepreneurship, many people think entrepreneurs are the people who should not sleep, always the hustle culture. It is not at all actually good. It's all about like we have to sleep at least 7 to 8 hours day. Our REM sleep, deep sleep, HRV score, like we have to track it. Like the only way how we'll be able to improve, because see, when we go into deep sleep, we will be in a delta wave. It's completely like unconscious state, like the delta wave. If you see in laboratory or like X-ray, like you will be able to see when you are like working or like walking, like you will be in a beta wave. Like it's all about like consciousness, like conscious state. Like when you're walking or like you're walking right now, like whatever I'm talking, I'm in a conscious state. Like when you're in a relaxed state, like it's all about like alpha waves. It's like relaxed, like focused meditation. When you go deep into meditation, it's all like alpha, which is like completely like subconscious. What happens in subconscious, because see, 95% of the things what's happening is all about like subconscious. Only 5% is like conscious mind, whatever we are doing. And deep relaxed state is like the theta state, which is like deeply relaxed and deep meditation, like super deep. It's all like subconscious programming. Now we can alter our lives by altering our thoughts and our subconscious brain programming and feeding good information, good food, and taking good sleep. And it's all about like when you feed the right information in the right direction, there will be exponential growth and you will be able to enjoy, and you can have the life of top 1%. That is the thing which all great personalities like Michael Jordan, Sachin Tendulkar, all extremely successful people are doing, because they all know the importance of like peak performance, and they focus on the most important thing. They don't do unnecessary things. They focus on asymmetric output, small inputs which can create like massive outputs. And that is why I always tell it's so important to focus and channelize your energy on the most important tasks in your day, because energy is like extremely limited, but we can get exactly what we want by focusing on the most important thing. And it's all about when you reprogram, when you know exactly what time you have to do, and by constantly taking feedbacks and improving, and that is how like you will be able to go. See, and I'm going to tell you right now an actionable step. Identify like your obsession, not the passion. Passion is for losers. focus, identify like the obsession what you want to work upon, and have a goal and have a plan in your life, right? Without clarity, like you won't be able to achieve a lot of things. Like you will drift around, you go here there, and you don't get anything. And if you want to be a peak performer, you always have to know what exactly you have to do, and you have to channelize your energy in the most important thing. And creating like your mission plan, like see, the most important thing is find out your why. After why do you want to achieve that goal? What is the calling? What is that why you want to do? Like if you don't do that, what's going to happen? It should be a bigger purpose, and that is how like you will be able to do it. Or what you are born for, like if you were to die tomorrow, what is that one thing which people have to remember, the society has to tell, right? Based upon that, like you have to start working and creating your mission plan, right? Like how, what you want in your life, like intellectually, spiritually, financially, like adventurous, like your family life, everything. Like write down like your plan exactly, because it's always said an idiot with a plan can also beat a person who has like more than 150 plus IQ, right? It's all about when you come up with a great plan, with a great framework, knowing exactly what you have to do, and constantly iterating and improving, like you will be able to do incredible things in your life. It's all about having a great relentless focus and doing the most important thing and channelizing your energy, and that's how like you can become smarter, stronger, taller in all areas of your life. And that is what it's all about, biohacking. Like it's all about channelizing your energy, because we are all like frequencies, right? And that's how like you'll be able to do incredible things by channelizing your energy, like your beliefs, patterns, like your emotions, strengths, all these things, and like your sleep. And this is how like you'll be able to do it. And let me know what was your biggest takeaway in the comments. And thank you so much everyone for watching.